everyone. So today I'm going to be doing a really fun mask of the day video. If you guys have been a subscriber of mine for a while, you might remember the series I used to have on my channel, which I did, and it was called Mask of the Day, and I would try out these different interesting face masks and apply them on camera and share with you guys about what I think about them. And I am bringing this back. This was a product that was sent to me for review from YesStyle, and I was so excited because this is the cutest thing ever. This is from I Do Care, and it's called Cake My Day, and this is a hydrating sprinkle wash off mask. The concept of this is so cute and I can't wait to try it. So I'm going to try this on and let you guys know what I think about it. Okay, so a little bit about this product. It's from I Do Care and they have so many cute face masks. They are just ridiculously cute. So this one's called Cake My Day, and it says that it's kind of inspired by like ice cream and cake and stuff like that, which is so cute. And it says that it's infused with hyaluronic acid, squalene, and glacial water. So it's supposed to be really good for nourishing and hydrating the skin. So I definitely need that because I am a dry skin girl, and I feel like no matter what I do, my skin is always could always use a little bit more moisture. So this one just says to use a spatula to apply a generous, even layer to clean skin. I've already washed my face, so I am ready for that. And then it says to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. It also says that this mask does not dry, so after the 5 to 10 minutes, you're supposed to rinse it off with lukewarm water while massaging the little beads into your skin. I can't get over how cute this is. I love the packaging of it. It's so adorable. It almost kind of reminds me of like a little ice cream tub, which I feel like is very fitting for this package, but it comes in this really cute little baby blue. It is 3.52 ounces or 100 grams, so I feel like you get a pretty good amount of this because I feel like you really don't need quite nearly as much face mask as people tend to pile on, but I am so excited to try this. It also has a very slightly like cakey vanilla kind of scent to it. It's not overwhelming or so artificial that it's very off-putting. It's actually very faint, which I think is nice because you kind of get that hint of the scent and the funness of it without like going way over the top with all the fragrancing. Okay, and then on the inside there are these little sprinkle beads in here. I believe these are supposed to be like a little bursting bead. I don't believe they are microplastic because I feel like that has been like outlawed. So I will have to double check, but I'm pretty sure these aren't plastic beads, which is good because that's no good for the environment. Oh, and it also comes with a cute little spatula. This is so cute. It actually kind of looks like the little ice cream scoops that you would get like if you're tasting ice cream. Oh, it smells so good. Like I said, it's not overpowering or extremely like sickening sweet. Like I thought it was going to be super sweet. It's really light and oh, it just smells so good. Okay, so I'm just going to take a scoop of it, not that much, and we'll just start with that. And I'm going to start by spreading it evenly across my face. Ooh, it feels nice and cooling. I like that. Not cooling, but you know, it's cool on my skin, and I have been doing a lot of organizing and rearranging today, so it feels nice to just like pamper myself for a little bit and get off my feet for a few minutes. Okay, I'm just gonna apply this in a thin layer all over my face because I can use some hydration everywhere, so we're just going to apply it everywhere. Okay, and so this is what the mask looks like on. It looks, you know, really kind of silly, but it is kind of cute with the little sprinkles and stuff. I feel like a birthday cake. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this on for the 10 minutes that it says, and I will rinse my face and come back and share with you guys how I feel about this mask. Okay, it has been 10 minutes that the mask has been on. It doesn't look any different. Like it said, it does not dry, so it still feels wet and stuff. So usually I would just like go wash my face at the sink, but I decided to just bring a little bit of water in here and actually do the whole like washing and massaging thing on camera because I'm kind of wanting to know what these like little beads are like. Dip my little fingers in the water first, and I'm going to just do circular motions. And wow, okay, so the little beads are little bursting beads. They are not microplastic. Like I said, I think that's been banned, but these are actually really kind of cool. They are not very abrasive at all. Like it's not like a scrubby kind of mask at all. This definitely just feels honestly, it kind of just feels like frosting on your face, and it smells like it too. Oh, that's the one thing that I really liked about this mask is just it smells so good. But like I said, it's so subtle but it's not like crazy intense or anything, but you can still smell that sweetness. I really, really like that. Really massaging it in, it just kind of feels really nice on my skin, to be honest, so I actually really, really like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a little washcloth and wash this off my skin. It's coming off super, super easy. That's another thing I really like about these kind of wash off masks, is that they're so easy. There have been a lot of masks I've tried in the past where it's all fun and games until you're trying to like wash it off, and it can be a little bit of a nightmare, but the washing up process of this is so easy. It comes right off, and how my skin feels definitely feels like noticeably, like it says that it will plump your skin, and I really do feel that kind of plumping feeling to my skin. It just feels so smooth. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love this. I would still probably finish this off with like a moisturizer for me, just because I am so dry, but it definitely left my skin feeling like noticeably more hydrated than when I began. So I am so excited to have this mask. It says that you can actually use it 2 to 3 times a week, so it's not one of those ones that are super harsh or abrasive or anything like that. Like I said, it's not really an exfoliating type one. It's more of just a nourishing and hydrating mask, which are definitely some of my favorite. I can only do like the exfoliating masks like once every 2 weeks or so. Otherwise, I feel like I'm just kind of rubbing my skin raw. So this feels so nice. Oh, I just love how fun it is, and it smells good. It's so cute, and they have so many different face masks from this line. I think I bought a little mini set of a trio a long time ago, probably maybe like 2 or 3 years ago, and they were really actually kind of fun. Some of them I have to say are a little bit gimmicky. Like they do have some that are more just like shimmery or iridescent or have glitter in them. I'm not a huge fan of anything that has glitter in it skincare wise, but this one is really fun because it has that fun element of the sprinkles, but it's not completely useless like the glitter masks are. So this has to be probably out of the, let's see, I have 3 of them, and then this would be the 4th one that I've tried. Out of all of those, this has to be my absolute favorite. So I really, really like this. This will also be on sale for 20% off on YesStyle until February 22nd. So if you have been wanting to try this, I will definitely have a link below. I do have referral links, so if you do purchase from me, I do get a small commission. So if you have been interested in trying it out, now is the time to try it. I really, really love it, so I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.